Guys, one day I opened my fridge to grab a snack, but to my absolute horror, everything was warm. As it turns out, there was a power cut and my fridge stopped working for a few hours. I had to throw out all my food. What a waste. That's when I knew that I needed a new fridge. A fridge that can handle power outages and keep my food fresh for longer. That's when I discovered this. The Samsung 215 liters 4-star refrigerator with the Digi-Touch Cool control panel. The Digi-Touch Cool control panel is an absolute game changer. It's so intuitive and easy to use. I can adjust the temperature, activate eco mode to save energy, but what really sets it apart is its ability to alert me about power cuts and restore any temperature loss. Another great thing about this fridge is its 4-star rating for energy efficiency, so you get superior cooling and savings at the same time. The digital inverter compressor strategically uses lesser energy when it needs to, resulting in greater energy efficiency and lower electricity bills. The crown door design of the refrigerator is nothing short of amazing. I mean, the round top shape and clean lines are just so chic, and the new horizontal handle makes it even more stunning. The fridge has stabilizer-free operation, which means it works steadily and reliably even during voltage fluctuations. To top it off, the fridge comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty, giving you peace of mind, and also comes with an industry-first 20-year warranty on it. In short, guys, the Samsung 215 liters 4-star refrigerator is the fridge of my dreams. It's not just a fridge, it's a lifesaver that keeps my food fresh and my energy bills low.